Neil Levett, and I'm the Managing Director of Levett Business Services. "29 this year. Launching the Highways Magazine Excellence Awards 20 years ago, and on a hunch that they might be successful, and attending the 20th anniversary this year. Yes, we hired out Wembley Stadium for the Stadia and Arena conference, and it eventually ran 2 years late because Wembley was late, and so we battled with the brink of bankruptcy for 2 years through no fault of our own. I think that I would be more accepting of staff members and suppliers, and understanding that they have to work to my brief more than me expecting them to come to me with answers. Politics. Corporate politics is a corporate cancer. It's a waste of time. When I was selling advertising by Richard Desmond, who owns the Daily Express, was that pages pay wages. It's changed as I've got older, and I think now it is more on quality of service delivery, doing the right thing, and going home feeling as though you've made a difference. The longevity of it, I think that it's going to be a sector that's around forever, so there's a degree of certainty there for anyone who enters it, and I think that the opportunity that's coming forward through technology is really exciting. People's appetite to risk, which means that innovations coming onto the network can be stifled. That's through procurement, whether or not the ability to get people on supply chains is easy enough. And also, as I said, the attitude to risk in case there is a potential failure of a product or service that's being introduced.